Hey everyone, welcome to Quiet with Mubari. This is Mubari here speaking, and today we're gonna do a quick video on how we can use pivot tables for you to do quick reporting to data that you have. It was just sent you raw data and asking those questions. Which team got the highest number of errors, the lowest, which employee got the highest number of errors, which week got the highest number, and which month did we face the highest number of error. The error rate on this month is higher than the rest of the months. All right, so first things first, let's check our data here. So employee number, I don't really care about the employee number. If I'm gonna use that, it's gonna be for just in case they want to check something, because it's not going to affect our calculations or affect our analysis here. For the employee name, we're gonna use that. For the number of errors, we're definitely gonna use that. And for the date, I'm gonna do something about this one here. And for the manager, we're definitely going to use this one as well. All right, so first things first, let me create two columns here. One is for the week and one is for the month. All right, so for the week, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is just to put in this formula, week num, and then there you go. It's written as a the format is written as a date. Let's do it as a number here, and showing you the week number, which is week 38. Then if I get the cursor here on this on the lower right corner of the cell, it will duplicate the same formula for each and every cell, and there you go. We got the week for each and every cell that we have. Right, so it's basically getting the week number from this date. All right, what we're gonna do for the month, instead of having this month here, instead of having three letters for each month, we're gonna put in this formula so that we can figure out the exact. So we're gonna use this formula so that we can know the exact name for the month, so that later on when we do the pivot table, it's gonna be easier for us to simply get the name of the month. All right, so for our formula here, we're gonna use text. Excel is gonna ask us which value we're gonna use, so we're gonna go to cell D2, and then it's going to ask us how we're gonna display the format, or it's gonna ask us the to put in the format for the text to show. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna type in M, four M's to display the whole name of the month, and then there you go. Yeah, so it converted this date to this name, right? The name of the month. And there you go. So far, I don't have anything to change. I got the name of the manager, I got the name of the employee, and yeah. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna select your row data here, go to insert, and then go to pivot table. All right. It's gonna ask you for the table range. Click on OK. Created a new worksheet for you to put in your pivot table. Alright, so let's go back. Let's name your sheet here. Instead of having sheet 1, let's name this one row data. Row data. And for the sheet 2, we're gonna name this one pivot. Alright. Alright, so the first question here is which team got the highest number of errors, right? So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the reporting manager, put it in the rows column. Alright. And for the number of errors, we're gonna put it on the values, right? and and we're gonna click on this one, go to value field settings, and then so we got the sum, we got the count, the average, the maximum, the minimum, and the product, right? So we're gonna select sum because we want to add up the number of errors, right? So each manager got, let's say, 10 employees, right? Each employee made a specific number of errors. We're gonna need to add all those errors up. All right, so I got the sum of number of errors. All right, so I got Emily, Michael, and Sarah here. So you're gonna right click on this and then go to sort and then largest to smallest, and then we got Sarah here, has the highest number of errors. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take this here and go to the first question. Which team got the highest number of errors? We got Sarah. Again, I'm gonna quickly resize the column to display the whole name. Alright. Alright, and then the second question is which team got the lowest number of errors? I'm gonna check here. We got Emily here, got 29 errors. And there you go. And okay. And then the third question here is which employee got the highest number of errors, right? So for this one, it's pretty easy actually. We're gonna remove the reporting manager and we're simply gonna put in the employee name, right? We're checking the name of the employee that got the highest number of errors, right? So in our video here, we got James, Thomas, and Emily. All three of them got 9 errors. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take James, considering that, let's say he got 10 or 20 errors. So let's just take this one here, and yeah, I'm gonna copy his name here, and there you go. That's for James. Same goes for the employee with the lowest number of errors. We got John here. Let me copy him and paste. Alright, so which week has the highest number of errors? So this one is pretty simple, or this one is pretty easy, because we simply did the two columns that we did manually. Alright, we got the week and the month. Okay, so let's remove the employee name and let's do week. So you can see here that it considered the week as a value, and it added all the numbers of weeks. Let me drag this one here to be on the rows. Okay, and again we're gonna right click on the first cell here, largest. Okay, so in week 41 here we got 11 errors, which is the highest number of errors that we got. So in week 41 we got 11. 41 we got 11. Alright, and which month got the highest number of errors? This one is pretty easy as well. We're gonna put in the month, right click, sort, largest. Okay, so in October we got 26. Alright, as simple as that. What you're gonna do here, since the data is somehow messy, let me just center everything, and there you go. So that's how you can use pivot tables, so that you can quickly summarize data for your QA reporting, um, quickly figure out who got the highest number of errors, who got the lowest number of errors, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. So in case you like the video, let me know. In case you have any questions, let me know as well. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.